at my favorite firecracker machine. I don't even know what it's called.
It's called, I don't know.
It doesn't really say what it's called. Anyway, I like to play it.
3 of them, and then play as them.
Just threw $20 in.
Playing for the 30 bucks.
Oh, and we're in already.
You pick this one.
We actually played this because the mini was at $30, and that's pretty high.
Yes.
And we got the minor, 50-65, guys. That's pretty cool.
$4 to win $50. That minor starts at $50, so it's not very high.
Woo! That's pretty cool, guys. I didn't even know you could get this little thing and then when you're betting 68 cents.
My sister Wanda did twice.
Betting 68 cents.
They can switch it out. They're all over the place. I think the most they bet is 2 or 3. Yeah. That's a good win.
That's pretty awesome, man.
Because Keno was not very good to us.
I'm not really going to complain. Always like to see the coins flying. Only if it is for $50.
My spin, right?
What? Yeah, I'm sure that was my spin. Fishies? Oh, you see that one more.
Or one of them there.
Dang it.
Or a blue guy.
Flowers for 140.
Oh, I thought he was going to give it to somebody. There it is. Trees in the front.
Yeah, look up. There's the trees in the front now.
This pays anyway. So as long as you got 5 of them on each line, 1 on each line, you're good to go. Chris said enough of that.
Yeah, bump it out.
Oh, $6. I was saying pretty cool because there's no trees or fish. No red guys in the front. That's the best symbol right there.
Trees. I was gonna say, let's just give us another one of those bonuses.
Give us free spins. You get to pick on this one?
There you go.
50 times 12, $6.
You got the mathematician here tonight.
So all they taught us in school is math and auto works. Don't even, Chris.
Yeah, he doesn't ever fix my car.
Whatever.
Flowers. Oh, that's good.
$48.
It's pretty sweet. We have doubled, you guys. We only put a 20 in. We doubled with the 50.
We're 80 bucks. Like on the 80.
We'll see.
We're playing it up to 200.
We're playing it up to the 9,400.
I would literally probably have a heart attack and die. They would have to call the ambulance to resuscitate me. That probably won't happen.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't call 911. Did I even hear that?
We're going to do another lottery live.
Yeah, we should.
You did good on that. Thanks to the $50 ticket.
Look at all those pretty flowers. Well, that was
Oh, I
cool.
hear Heidi. 107.
You're welcome.
Oh, there's a tree in the front.
Time to bump it up a little bit again. So he keeps wanting us to bet a little bit higher. Trees.
All right, that'd be nice.
We're working on it.
Nice. Well, we got the minor right away.
Oh yeah.
Spent we went
The minor?
68 cents and got it for $3.80.
Maybe that's
Yeah, I think so. There you go. Yep.
I do like this casino because people actually talk to people. There are other casinos that you go to, you don't talk to nobody because everybody's crabby all the time. I.e. Mystic Lake. We've never won there, Chris.
We haven't?
No.
We don't go there very often. Just we have wild tickets, right, Mom?
Oh, it's about time for another wild game.
I think so. Books.
There we go. 80 cents.
Good job, babe.
I thought it was pretty good.
I think it's time for a bonus now. Trees.
Oh, get in
Oh,
there.
dang, yeah. 3? Well, not after a win. We'll do it one more time. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, fishy, fishy.
Oh,
Come
it's
on,
right
look
there.
at all the fish and
It's
all the
right there, right
trees.
there.
How rude is that, guys? Books. There you go.
Usually give free spins.
Yeah, we want to get the bonus here. He keeps giving us pretty good line hits. Oh,
That mini is so high. Uh-oh.
there we go. We're in.
I had to pick the first one.
Yeah, that's fine. There we go. That's what we're looking for.
Green one, I bet you.
Minor.
Hey, $50 more.
We are not going to get that mini for 30. We're just going to keep going higher and higher.
As long as that mini's 30 and it's paying us, we'll keep on playing, guys.
Yeah, that's awesome. This might be a lot longer video than expected since we only had $20 in there. I got the stupid fly bugging me.
You got Dave's friend around here. Don't say it.
The 972 would even be nice.
Well, when we got that major, remember when we've gotten the major before on these machines?
We have, yeah.
But we ran her hand across it. Remember that? And then you're like, did we win that?
I didn't really start getting hand pays till I met this grandpa. I probably had maybe one
I taught her how to
before.
gamble.
Yeah, and then he must have forgotten how.
And now Ma thinks you're a high roller.
I'm not a high roller.
Oh, she's a high roller. Don't let her fool you.
I don't bet much.
Oh, there's a fish in the middle.
Could have put the firecracker in the middle. Yeah, about time for a bonus now.
$5.
Should look at the thing. Should be the stick thing.
Oh,
Come on. Yep, let's get in the front. There we go.
bingo!
That's what we're looking for.
Is there a mystery?
I don't know if we get to pick.
Oh,
Like
no, I don't think we do. We got $6.80 to get in, guys. Uh-oh, what's the next bet? Chris, show them what the next bet is. Oh, no.
Oh yeah.
$6.80.
We're working our way up here, guys. We can get the bonus and the bonus. Then they'll give us the major since they don't want to give us the mini.
You can't get the bonus.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, got it.
Here we go, guys.
Get it.
Gonna hit my hand.
No, go ahead.
Come on, let's get a really good one now. Oh,
That's a huge downgrade.
that was crappy.
Give us one big one.
I always like going for mystery, but sometimes it bites us in the butt. I don't know, we're betting pretty decent. Hopefully we get a good line hit. Well, we got the fans, I guess. I was thinking that wasn't anything, but that was pretty good. Take it.
We'll take $10. It's 20 cent shirt, 3 times it back. This pesky pumpkin fly.
Kind of annoying like Davis sometimes. Come on. Get us in the bonus. Come on. There we go. Well, that didn't end up being very much. Oh, there we go.
250 times 16.
There you go.
44 bucks. 42 bucks. Sorry.
Anyway, I'll take it.
2 spins left, guys. Let's get all
Yeah, let's get
Firecrackers.
firecrackers. Yeah.
that baby go off for 30 bucks.
I've never seen that. Yeah, that was a nice hit. Too bad your sister doesn't watch our videos.
She does. Don't
Oh,
let her
does
fool
she?
ya.
Oh, then she's
Don't
gonna like
let her
this
fool
one.
ya.
Hi, Steph.
Wanda, tell Steph to watch the videos.
Yeah, right.
She can see what she's missing out on all the other machines other than this one. My sister only plays these.
Yeah, she'd be very proud of her doing so good. There goes some more
Oh,
fans.
$1.
Last spin, guys. Let's get the bonus. Fans again.
$5. Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad at all.
I'll take that.
Now I got 200 bucks, guys.
Let's get another free spins.
Yeah, where it's better. There we go.
$15 for you guys. About 16.50.
Just a little bit.
We're playing it to 400, guys. Wouldn't that be something?
I'd take it. It's Explore the Edge.
Oh, where's the red guys? Can I get a beer?
You get no beer.
Okay, under David Warner. Okay, what would you like?
Make cold call.
Make golden call.
I'm good.
Okay, just to make golden call.
Don't look at what I bet.
How much you win?
I don't know.
Oh.
$7.
Oh, come on. Give us a bonus now. Oh, no.
It's up to you.
Yeah, but things just not comfortable.
I know, babe.
$3.
Just gotta get a good win and then you'll be comfortable.
No. You got one spin left. $4. 2 spins.
There's some trees.
Oh, it's not that.
Come on, let's get in the bonus again. We need to redo our bonus because that really sucked.
It's up to 3180, guys. 550. Oh no.
Really?
It's right there.
There's one. Need 3. You know what 3 is, guys? 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we lost, huh? Down one.
Oh, we're not gonna call it quits.
Oh, we good? Okay, we're going to 140.
Okay, I guess we're going to 140.
Bonus. Bonus.
Come on. Some trees. Fans.
Drop her down. It's a redhead step shot. Oh my gosh. I'd rather have the firework down than the $4 win.
Right? I don't know why I didn't do that.
Right now.
Come on, give us one more. Nope. It's pooped out. We won too much money.
One. Yeah. We did pretty good.
Yeah.
Up 120 on this one. We'll be back, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.